Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TD100 PS 270 front-wheel drive, L1 high roof needs turbo no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 114406. MOT, the 2nd of August 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Needs turbo replacing straightforward, simple replacement job. Engine starts and runs perfect, star-struck. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,